Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential constraints, your monthly GB allowance and any roaming or overage fees. Next, enable the system data saver and create a usage alert at 50% and a hard cutoff near your limit. Go into settings and toggle Wi-Fi only or disable background data for obvious data hogs like streaming and social apps. Once done, lock those settings with a screen lock if available, and make sure automatic system updates are restricted to Wi-Fi only to prevent surprise usage. You now perform a focused audit of apps that use the most data. Identify streaming, social, and navigation apps, revoke background data and location permissions where unnecessary. Then switch apps to offline modes, download content on Wi-Fi, and reduce media quality to 480p or audio only for podcasts. Make sure system updates, app updates, and cloud backups are scheduled for Wi-Fi only. Also disable auto sync for email and large accounts on cellular. Instead, fetch manually when you need fresh data. You wrap up by installing a reliable data monitor and setting real-time alerts so you catch spikes early. Connect to trusted Wi-Fi hotspots and use VPNs only when needed because some captive portals or misconfigured VPNs generate extra traffic. If you see unexpected usage, restart the phone, check per app counters, and reset network settings. Then compare with carrier usage in your account to reconcile differences. If problems persist, contact your carrier and mention exact timestamps and app names to speed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.